Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the most practical and in-depth product overviews. In today's video, we're talking about the best yellow dish towels for kitchen that you can buy right now. And that title goes to the Premium Kitchen Towels by Bumble Towels. This 6-pack kitchen linen set has been making waves for all the right reasons, and today we'll take a closer look at why it's earned our top spot. Starting with the design, these towels strike a balance between function and charm. Each towel measures a generous 20 by 28 inches. That's plenty of surface area for wiping, drying, and cleaning. The color we're looking at today is wide stripe yellow, vibrant, cheerful, and perfect for adding a warm, sunny touch to your kitchen decor. The material is 100% ring-spun cotton, which gives you softness and absorbency in equal measure. These aren't thin or flimsy towels. They've got a solid build that feels premium right out of the package. What's unique about this 6-pack is that you're not just getting 6 identical towels. This set includes a mix of 3 different towel textures, flat and terry, designed to tackle different kinds of kitchen messes. The terry towels are great for soaking up liquid spills or drying your hands, while the flat ones excel at wiping down counters or polishing surfaces without leaving lint. That versatility means you can rely on this one set for all kinds of kitchen tasks, from food prep to cleanup. Another great feature is the hanging loop stitched into every towel. It's a small detail, but it makes a huge difference when it comes to convenience and organization. Just hang it on a hook or handle and it's always within reach, drying faster and staying fresher. On top of that, Bumble throws in a bonus reusable tote bag with the set, making this not just a smart purchase for your own kitchen, but a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, holidays, or new homeowners. Now let's talk care. These towels are machine washable and designed to withstand multiple washes without losing their softness or functionality. It's recommended to wash them separately on the first use to get rid of any lint from the manufacturing process, and then you can simply toss them in with your regular laundry. Wash warm and tumble dry low for the best results. To sum it up, the Premium Kitchen Towels from Bumble Towels are a perfect blend of performance, design, and durability. The eye-catching wide stripe yellow pattern, multiple textures, thoughtful features like the hanging loop, and the added tote bag all contribute to making this set the best yellow dish towels for the kitchen. Whether you're buying for yourself or gifting to someone else, this set checks all the boxes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical product critiques. Thanks for watching Product Critique. See you in the next one.